The year is 2024. Global temperatures are soaring, on track to shatter previous records. Yet, here we are, bundled up in layers, facing a winter that feels particularly harsh. How can it be the warmest year when the chill seems to pierce right through us? This, my friends, is a tale of two temperatures, a story of global climate change and its intricate dance with regional weather patterns. We often use these terms interchangeably, but understanding their distinct meanings is crucial. Climate represents the long-term behavior of temperature and weather patterns over decades, even centuries. Weather, however, is the mood swings of the atmosphere, the day-to-day fluctuations in temperature, precipitation, and wind. Think of it like this. Imagine Earth's climate as a giant pot of water slowly heating on a stove. Global warming is like turning the burner up. The water, our planet, gradually heats up. But even as the overall temperature rises, there will still be pockets of cooler water within the pot. These pockets represent the regional variations in weather we experience, influenced by a multitude of factors. One such factor playing a significant role in this winter's chill is a climate pattern known as La Niña. Climate and weather are not the same. This distinction is fundamental to understanding why we can experience frigid winters even as the planet warms. Climate is the long game, the average weather conditions prevailing in a region over a long period, typically 30 years or more. Weather, on the other hand, is the here and now, the short-term atmospheric conditions we experience daily. Think of it as the difference between your personality and your mood. Your personality is relatively stable over time, like climate. Your mood, like the weather, can change rapidly from day to day. Global warming, the ongoing increase in Earth's average temperature, is a climate phenomenon. It's like slowly turning up the thermostat of our planet. Weather events such as heat waves, cold snaps, storms, and floods are influenced by this warming trend but can fluctuate significantly from day to day and year to year. The key takeaway is that while global warming sets the stage, regional weather patterns determine the specific conditions we experience on the ground. And this year, La Niña is a major player in shaping those patterns, ushering in a particularly chilly winter for some. La Niña, Spanish for little girl, might sound innocuous, but this climate pattern packs a powerful punch when it comes to influencing global weather. It's characterized by cooler-than-average sea surface temperatures in the central and eastern tropical Pacific Ocean. Don't let the little girl fool you. Her effects are felt far and wide. Imagine the Pacific Ocean as a giant swimming pool. Normally, trade winds blow warm water from east to west, piling it up in the western Pacific. This creates cooler, nutrient-rich water to well up from the depths in the east, supporting a vibrant marine ecosystem. However, during La Niña, these trade winds intensify, pushing even more warm water westward. This intensification creates a larger-than-usual temperature difference between the east and west, disrupting atmospheric circulation patterns worldwide. In simpler terms, La Niña throws a wrench in the global atmospheric machinery, leading to a cascade of effects that influence temperature and precipitation patterns across continents. For some regions, this translates to colder and wetter winters, while others experience warmer and drier conditions. Let's zoom in on specific regions to see how La Niña is shaping this winter's weather forecast. Imagine a world where blizzards rage one week and balmy breezes sweep in the next. This isn't just a flight of fancy, it's becoming our new reality. The shifting patterns of our climate are leading to more extreme and unpredictable weather events. It's a stark reminder that our planet's delicate balance is tipping. You might be wondering, how can we be experiencing our warmest years on record, yet still face colder winters? It's a paradox that confuses many. The answer lies in the disruption of global weather patterns. As the Arctic warms, it affects the jet stream, leading to unusual cold snaps in places that are typically temperate. So, even as the planet warms overall, we can still see these seemingly contradictory weather events. So what can we do about it? The time for action is now. We must reduce our carbon footprint, embrace renewable energy, and advocate for policies that protect our environment. Every small step counts. Together, we can make a difference and help restore balance to our planet. Let's act today for a better tomorrow.